Doozles are dozing. Their eyelids so heavy, they're drooping. Close it!
What is up there, YouTube? It's your boy Sandru here, and today I will be drawing Mr. Incredibles from Incredibles 2, or should I just say Incredibles, you know. The movie was great. I loved it. The two stars in that movie was Elastic Girl and Jack. I have to admit, like, it was a great movie. That's all I gotta say. So basically, yeah, before I end my commentary here, I just want to say, make sure you guys go check out my manga, my social media down below. The link will be down in the description. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and peace out.
Down the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? It's the first time of today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero.